I am Aditya Ayyagari and I'm a business analyst at Amazon. I chose to join the Postgraduate Diploma in Advanced Business Analytics program by IIM Ahmedabad for its perfectly tailored curriculum with theory, business cases and hands-on projects. Interacting with exceptionally knowledgeable professors and a collaborative learning atmosphere inside the classroom have been making me really push myself and give my best to compete with the brightest. The unique aspect of this program that I love is it draws a fine balance between analytic skills like regression and time series versus business skills like marketing and strategy, which have been helping me evolve my viewpoint from a tactical business analyst view that I hold today to a strategic leader's view that I would need tomorrow to change the game. So I strongly recommend all the data heroes out there to go for it and give a stamp.